TV showcase glass is broken. Now we want to fit this new glass, and I will tell you how to fit just 2 minutes. This is our screwdriver spoon. We want to use this and tight this screws. These are already tight. We want to fit this type also. This is the TV showcase, and you see in this hole we want to fit that one. After that, in this hole also we fit this. We want to take this waste paper, and this is some strong paper. After that, we want to cut same size. I show you. We have to fit this. Okay, first we want to loose this nuts. See this hole? We want to fit here only, and then it's done. To tight this nuts, and it's very important. After that it will done. Okay, now we are doing that. This only spoon will check how it will work. It is old and done. I hope this video is helpful. Then you, because we successfully fit our showcase glass. Super. Like this video.